Good morning, students. This is Shivani here, your teacher of English, and I will continue the chapter 6. Okay, we have talked about the chapter 6 till the page number 25, and I will continue the page number 26 in this video. So, in this page number 26, we have let's perfect it section, and in this section, we have question number A. And in this A number, we have match the naming words to the pronouns that can be used in their place. So I think you guys already know what is pronoun. I have talked about that in the previous videos. So you go, if you don't know what is pronoun, please go and check out that video. Okay, I will because I will solve the question number A in this video. I will not explain the pronoun once again in this video. So here we have match the naming words to the pronouns. Number 1, Hina and I. Number 2, grandmother. Number 3, Uncle Peter. Number 4, a pencil. Number 5, Nida and Ben. Okay. So this is we have. What are these? These are naming words. Now we have pronoun in this side. A, he, they, we, she, it. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Now we have to match them according to that. What kind of pronouns will we make a suitable pair to each other. मतलब ये pronouns है, ये naming words है. Now we have to match them according to the what topic. Okay, so Hina and I have already told you the meaning of they, we, कि वी कहाँ यूज़ होता है, दे कहाँ यूज़ होता है, जब एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन होता है. बट कैसे वी यूज़ होता है और कैसे दे होता है, इसका भी मैंने डिफरेंस आपको बताया था. सो हीना एंड आई, हेयर वी हैव मोर देन वन पर्सन, हीना एंड आई, यानी हीना भी और मैं भी हूँ. सो व्हाट वी विल यूज़, वी. मैंने कहा था ना, जैसे ही मोर देन वन पर्सन हो लेकिन उसमें आप खुद भी इंक्लूडेड होते हैं, वहाँ पे बी, क्योंकि वहाँ उसमें हम इंक्लूड है, तो क्या बोलेंगे हम. हीना एंड आई, इट मीन्स हम, तो हम खुद इंक्लूडेड हैं, तो वी ऑलवेज यूज वी. ओके. ग्रैंड मदर अकॉर्डिंग टू द जेंडर, ग्रैंड मदर इज फीमेल एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज शी फॉर फीमेल. Now we have Uncle Peter. Uncle Peter is a man, means masculine gender, and for boy we always use he. Okay, he. A pencil. It is a pencil. Pencil is a name of a thing, and it is also a non-living thing. So pencil goes to it. Nida and Ben. Nida and Ben, it shows that Nida and Ben are the two different person, and in this you are not included. So Nida and Ben goes to they. So this is the A we have, and you have to do this in your book. Now we have number B. Okay, and in this way we have take the sentences that use pronouns in place of underlined naming words. Okay, so here we have B number, and in this we have some sentences that are using pronoun here. कुछ sentences है जिसके यहाँ पर मतलब कि पहला में क्या है, ये सब नेमिंग वर्ड्स है. द hen, द मैन, द माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई, द राम, दे आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. एंड here we have two options for all of these. Okay, I mean sorry, my mistake, this is not the case here. जैसे कि the hen is brown, so it is brown, दिस इज द राइट वन. वी हैव टू चूज. हाँ, कि जो नेमिंग वर्ड के बदले में प्रोनाउन हमें यहाँ पे शो करे क्या वो सही है. इफ दे आर करेक्ट यू हैव टू पुट द टिक मार्क. इफ दे आर रॉन्ग यू हैव टू पुट द क्रॉस मार्क. द hen इज ब्राउन, इट इज ब्राउन. सो द hen की जगह पे क्योंकि अंडरलाइन ये है तो इट मीन्स इट इज नेमिंग वर्ड एंड यू हैव टू यूज द प्रोनाउन इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वर्ड. तो द hen is a living things and we always use it for non-living thing. So the hen is brown, so we will write it is brown. So it is the correct one because we don't know the gender of a hen, so we can write it is brown. Yeah, so this is the correct one. So like this we you have to solve. I will not write the whole sentence here. I will just write the naming word and the pronoun, and you just have to we just have to identify which one is correct and which one is wrong here. Okay, number 1. Question number B. Number 1. The hen. This is our first naming word and instead of this we have I. तो क्या the hen के बदले में I सही है? Like the hen is brown. It is brown. तो क्या द hen के बदले में हम यहाँ पे जो it यूज कर रहे हैं क्या वो करेक्ट प्रोनाउन है? यस, इट इज करेक्ट बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द जेंडर ऑफ अ hen. अगर पता होता कि वो कॉक है तो वी विल यूज ही. अगर वो hen है तो वी विल बी यूज शी. ओके, बट वी डोंट नो, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इट. इट इज ब्राउन. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट वन हेयर. नंबर 2. द मैन इज टॉल. The man is tall. She is tall. So in this we have in the first sentence we have the man as a naming word, and in the second we have she for instead of this naming word. So the man is from masculine gender. So we always use he to show the masculine gender. Okay. So here we have she. So it is the correct one? No, this is the wrong. सो वी विल पुट द क्रॉस मार्क है क्योंकि शी जो है वो फेमिनिन जेंडर के लिए यूज होता है. नंबर 3. माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई आर प्लेइंग इन द डार्क. माई फ्रेंड्स एंड आई आर my friends and I are playing in the dark. And my friend and I is naming word here, and instead of this we have we. We play in the dark. So I have already told you that if whenever we talk about more than one person and it also includes you, we always use we. So we, my friends and I are play in the dark. We play in the dark. तो my friend and I के बदले में we यूज हुआ है जो कि सही है. Number 4. Ram is playing. She is playing. Ram is playing. She is playing. तो Ram is from Ram लड़का है and Ram is from masculine gender. We don't use she for masculine. We always use she for feminine. Just like this one, second one. So this is the wrong. Okay. Number 5 we have here. In the 5 we have the bee is busy. The bee is busy. You is busy. Okay. So now tell me, the bee is busy. So just for this animal, we have used it. Okay. For this animal, we have used it. So for bee, why do we use you? तो इसके लिए हम यू का यूज़ क्यों करेंगे? यू मीन्स होता है तुम, और हम बी से बात तो नहीं करेंगे. ओह, you are sucking juice from the flowers like this. No, it is sucking. We will say it is sucking a juice from the flowers, like this. The bee is busy. Madhumaki